What's going on, my beautiful people out in the fragrance world? I hope you're doing well. If this is your first time at PR Scents, thank you for stopping by. If you've been here before, thanks for stopping by again. So, rack store finds, I figured I'd give you another English Laundry review. And the one we're going to be talking about today is English Laundry Royal Forest. And if you want to know what I think about it, stick around. I'll see you in a second. Thanks, guys. So, like I was saying, we're going to talk about English Laundry's Royal Forest, which I found at TJ Maxx. I've been seeing them pop up more. I got Armor, I got Royal Forest. I've got about maybe 8 or 9 of the English Laundry fragrances, and a lot of them are very, very good. Online, they're anywhere from like $30 to $60, which is ridiculous. Do not pay that. Do not. Go to TJ Maxx if you have one, and you'll pay $14.99 for the most part on most of them. 2 years ago, they were $12.99. They're going up in price, so they're $14.99 now. And a lot of them are clones of other things. There's a clone of Eros. There's a clone of Aventus. There's quite a few clones in there. The Crown, I forget, Riviera. There's a lot of them, so you can go online and figure out which clones they are. I did do a video a long time ago when I had about 4 of them, and I told you what they were clones of and what I thought of them. This one, the bottle is kind of like a teal color, and I thought because of the color of the bottle, it was going to be a very green kind of fragrance, very minty, very piney kind of fragrance, but it's not. It's got a lot of the same DNA as like a Invictus or an Eros, or a lot of people have said that they think it's a clone of 1 Million Lucky. So it's around that kind of DNA, but it's a creamier kind of scent. It's a little earthy because it has patchouli in it. The creaminess is, let me tell you what it has. So it's got citrus notes, grapefruit, apple, honey, patchouli, cedar, oak moss, amberwood, and orange blossom. And the cedar and the oak moss are like the base notes. The citruses obviously are the top notes. So it's not a minty, piney kind of fragrance. It's more of a citrusy at the opening, but a sweet citrus kind of feel to it. As it starts to dry down, it becomes a little creamier, a little woody, and a little soapy. It's a nice fragrance. It really is. I like it. But just keep this in mind. You're paying at the rack store $14.99 for this fragrance. And because of that, don't expect a lot. The longevity, if I had to give it a score between 1 and 10, as far as 10 being the longest longevity and 1 being crap, I give it like a 3 or 4 as far as longevity is concerned. On my skin. On your skin, it may be an 8. Who knows? And then as far as projection, again, a 3. It becomes a skin scent really fairly quickly, and I get maybe 3 hours out of it. Probably if I spray like 18 sprays in one spot, it'll really push out, but I don't want to do that. Is it nice? Yeah, I like it. It's youthful. Again, it's got that Eros or that 1 Million Lucky kind of feel to it, that Invictus kind of feel to it. So it's a youthful fragrance. It's a sunny fragrance, let's say. It's something that I would probably wear in the spring. And it is very nice, but because of its longevity issues, that's where I kind of knock it down to like a 3 or 4 kind of thing. But that's what you get for having a $14.99 fragrance that's an EDT by English Laundry. Some of them last longer, don't get me wrong. This one smells really good, but doesn't last as long on my skin. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope this was helpful. If you ever see it at the rec stores and you want to figure out what's going on, come and look for me and I'll give you a reference to it. So as always, guys, please do me a favor. Please subscribe. Please like. And you guys make sure that you be safe, you be loved, and I will talk to you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.